Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to make BOM template like this. Active bill of material. Click this drawing. Now let's start use BOM standard template. See? Standard template like this. So different with this template. Now we will save this template. Right click in this symbol. Click save as. Save in whatever you want. Make file name is BOM.std. Click save. After that, go to this drawing, active bill of material again. Click this drawing. Now we use BOM.std. Okay. See, the template is different from before, but the same as the template we saved early. That is a quick tips. See ya.